order to use the Sketchfab application, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go over to the Firefox Nightly application right here. So we have to use this Firefox Nightly in order to pull up Sketchfab and view in the HTC Vive. So go ahead and double click that. An assortment of different models is going to pop up for you to select and view. If you want to view these different models in VR, you can pick through any of these. You can use Explore to find all sorts of different 3D models to view in the VR application. If you have your own models, you have your own account for Sketchfab, you can go ahead and log in or sign up if you don't, which is where you'll be able to upload your own 3D models to Nightly and view those yourself. So if you already have an account, you might not need this tutorial, but if you don't, go ahead and sign up and you can upload your own images and view those in the VR application. So when you're ready to select an image, one of your own or one of these other images out here, go ahead and pick one. So we're going to select our tank here. So once you click on one, it's going to start loading the 3D model, as well as it's going to start up your VR headset, the HTC Vive. So you can see that down here. It's all started up. You're going to want to turn on just one of your controllers. You don't really need two for this. So you can see that my controller has just started up. So once we're ready to view our image in the HTC Vive, you'll notice that the Vive is ready to go, and you have your controller started up. Go ahead and go to your image and view in VR. So you're going to see the tanks over there, and so if we want to get closer to it, we're going to use our controller, and using trigger, our trigger on the controller, we're going to aim closer to the tank, and you'll see that yellow circle pop up on the ground. That's where we're going to teleport to if we pull trigger. So I'm going to pull trigger so we can get a little bit closer to the tank and view it more up close. And so you can see we're up here next to the tank now, and so we can view this image using the Vive headset. So you can go ahead and put on the Vive and take a look at this image now, and use the controller with the trigger on the back side in order to teleport and get closer and move around the tank. That's basically everything you need to know to get started with Sketchfab and view your 3D models or other people's 3D models in VR. For more extensive tutorials on using Sketchfab, definitely consult YouTube or other online training software. But thanks so much for watching.